All right, guys, here we are at Aracosia Mclean, 1381 Beverly Road. It's raining outside today. I want to show you guys a couple different ways you can enter the restaurant without having to worry about the climate. I'm right here by the corner, by the shop sign, which will lead to our elevator. That will take you directly to our dining room, outdoor. So, all right. Be the second floor for us. All right, here we go. So, here we are. Ready for you guys. And you don't have to worry about being rained on or snowed on, so you're right in.